So I'm Mahati,
I'm Pranav.
and we're from Team Tekon, and we're going to be discussing a quick IMU usage intro for FTC. So first, what is an IMU? An IMU, or an inertial measurement unit, is built into the control hub. It includes an accelerometer, which measures speed, gyroscope, which measures orientation, and a geomagnetic sensor. It is also similar to a gyro sensor from FLL. So with this picture, heading is the angular orientation on the z-axis, roll is the orientation on the x-axis, and pitch is the orientation on the y-axis. So why use it in FTC? So this is a method we normally utilize in the autonomous drive period, and an IMU is mainly used to avoid drifting for precise turns, and it can track your robot orientation.
So to actually use the IMU in your code, the IMU is automatically configured to I2C bus 0 in the configuration of the control hub or expansion hub. And in the actual code, you use BNO055 IMU to declare the IMU in the code. And you have to also configure your orientation. So that depends on whether your rev hub is vertical or horizontal. And you can use a dot get angular orientation or dot first angles methods to get the actual orientation of the robot.
So this is a quick code snippet. So here we are initializing the IMU in hardware mapping, and these 4 sets of units, and these are the 4 sets of units that it returns.
In this code snippet, it's showing a method to get the actual angle of the robot. So what it's first doing is setting the orientation for the robot, and then it's calculating the robot using the dot first angle method. So what it does is it returns an angle from 0 to 360 degrees. And with those if statements, we're remapping it from -180 to 180 degrees, and then it will return that angle. So what we covered in this presentation was using the IMU and autonomous period of the FTC game. We also covered how you initialize the IMU in the code and how you can actually use the IMU to get your orientation of the robot. Thank you for watching. For additional details, you can contact us at FTC Team 16277 @gmail.com.